There, my lovely people, Mixup Corner TV lovers. I'm excited, yes. Today, what are we looking at? But before we go into our words, please do well to subscribe. My name is Carolina. Yes, you can call me Carolina. So have you heard people saying, I'm going for a welding? Really? A welding? Okay. Well, today the words we're going to be looking at are welding, WELDING, and wedding, WEDDING. What's the difference between the two? Now, welding is simply the act of joining two pieces of metal together. Okay, so you melt the edges and then you try to join them together. So that's where we get welders from, because they join pieces of metal together. Okay, yeah. But when we say wedding, WEDDING, it simply is a ceremony where you join two people in holy matrimony. So you're going for a wedding, or you're having a wedding, not a welding. I hope you got the difference. Please, I beg you, don't say you're going for a welding again. I don't know which part of your body you are going to weld. Anyway, that's it for today's edition on Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina. Bye bye. Thanks for joining.